That was the left gear we lost.
See if you can retract the other one.
Have you any idea where we are?
No.
Which direction are we headed?
West. Once we hit the coast, we'll go north. All we've got to do is get to any city, any place there are people. A newspaper, a television station, any place we can show up and be seen, then it's over.
I'm not sure it's exactly over.
Our families, our kids, they think we're dead.
I wonder. When we show up, when everybody finds out, I wonder if they'll be happy. Maybe it'd be better for them if we were dead. Oh, Christ. Fuel, there's no goddamn fuel.
I told you never to take a trip without checking the tank.
What about reserve?
We're unreserved.
That's straight.
I'll start to circle, see if you can find a level area.
There. Over there, beyond those cliffs. Are you sure you know how to land this thing?
Full flaps.